This is the WORKPRO staple gun. It's a 6-in-1 with the manual brad nailer, and it does come with 4,000 staples, so I like that. I actually bought it to reupholster an item, so it does come in this box so that you can fold it and everything and put it back in there, so easy storage. So this is the actual gun. So nice. I'll show you all sides of it. It's pretty standard. It was a simple just push to unlock. So that's nice. And then when you're like adding the actual staples right here, push it together and then open it right up, and then you add your staples in here. So what it comes with several different types of staples. It comes with the light duty ones, heavy duty, nails, and then the heavy duty U-nails too. So it comes with a variety of different ones for pretty much anything that you can use, you would need to use this right away out of the gate. And even right here, it has like the, let's get this to focus, there you go. It gives you like the different types that it comes with and the measurements too. So you know kind of what you're looking for when you're doing your product. So that's the 6-in-1. It does all these different things. And it's really easy when you're pushing it down. It doesn't hurt the palm of your hand like when you're pushing it. And so great product, very versatile, and would definitely be an addition to any home.